Alright, welcome to Scarlett and Natalia ToysReview. What are we eating here? We're having some juice. And what are you dipping inside the juice? What is that? I want to see what are you dipping in there. Oh no, you're dipping a French fry. Is that your loss? Dipping? Yeah, that's your loss. No, don't dip chicken fingers inside there. Oh no. Oh no. You can have it. Let's see over here what we have here. Chicken finger. And we have our two little spring chickens here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Do, 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 do. Where are you going? Where are you going? Bum, bum, bum. Yeah? You want more? What do you want more of? You want some more chicken fingers? Alright. Do the splits and then you can have more food.
Fine, then I'll do the split.
I'm only kidding. Oh no. I wasn't expecting that. Oh no. Woohoo! What? Alright. I'm gonna give you guys some more. Alright. Thank you very much for tuning into our channel. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. See you later.